Hello, creative people! Welcome to our channel. Today I'm super excited because I got my printed book. My first published physical book, Watercolor Flowers without the use of a sketch, drawing and painting. This book was printed by Amazon. It's also available as an ebook for those who want it. I'll leave the link in the description for anyone interested, okay? And I'm gonna do an unboxing, a review of it with you guys. Let's open it up right here. I'm super excited and nervous, guys. This book was completely handmade by me. There's no AI in here. It was entirely painted, scanned, and handwritten. Here's the cover. When you open it, the inside flap has my other two books, which are Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies without the use of sketches, and Nature, Watercolor, and Drawing Step by Step. They'll also be available on Amazon for those who want them. The link will be down in the description too. All printed on color pages, right? Here's the acknowledgement section dedicated to my husband, who has always supported me. All the pages are in color. The material. This is the first flower we're going to paint and learn how to draw, right? Just so you understand my book, here is the step-by-step for the leaf, the little flowers, which are the varieties of it, the bud, and an outline sketch for us to draw. The colors I used for this painting. Here, I teach how to draw without using a sketch. So by understanding the shape of the flower, the leaf, and the cluster, in the case of this flower, you can reproduce the flower right here. Look at the tulip, for example. How we would draw it first, how we would paint the tulip first, one petal here, another petal here, and lastly, the middle petal. How the leaves would look, and its reproduction, and how it looks from above, just in case you want to have a top-down view of the tulip. Here's the drawing of it from above. Same thing with the cherry blossom. I teach how to draw the flower and the buds step by step, and then you reproduce it. The book turned out so beautiful, made with love, a lot of love. It's a manual to keep on your desk whenever you want to paint a flower and need to know its shape, how to start, where to begin. Here we have the morning glory. It's always right at hand. See? Morning glory, you start with a simple circle, then you imagine how this flower would fit in here. For example, look, here we are at the pansy. The first thing you'll paint is the petal with these little details. So when it's time for the watercolor part, you start with the main petal, knowing that the center is right here in the middle. By knowing the flower's shape, we can picture it in watercolor without needing to use a sketch. Dahlia, the iris. Look how beautiful this one is, Bird of Paradise. I think this flower is gorgeous, and here is the outline of how it would look if it were drawn and how we can imagine it in watercolor. Crocus. There are several flowers for us to always use as a reference. Anyone who loves watercolor knows that flowers are a classic in watercolor. Azalea, it's a big book. It's being a bit stubborn because it's new. I opened it with you guys and the page keeps wanting to flip back over. It hasn't been fully broken in yet, so the page is being stubborn. Look at the orchid, how beautiful it turns out. It also has a step-by-step. All the flowers here have step-by-step guides. This isn't just a watercolor book, it's also a book for those who enjoy drawing and painting with other mediums, oil paint, pastels, and colored pencils. At the very back of the book here, I have ads for my other 2 books, Nature, Watercolor, and Drawing Step by Step. There's a QR code here for the ebook and the printed paperback for those who want to buy the physical copy. There's a sample of what the other books look like, which follow the same format as Watercolor Flowers. I also have the book Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies Without the Use of Sketches, a QR code that takes you straight to my Amazon ebook page if you want the digital version, and a QR code for the printed book. There's a sample of what the flavor book looks like. Here's a little bit about me, about the author. Me, Norma Curado. The QR code takes you straight to our channel so you can paint along with me, do watercolor and other techniques too. This is me. And here is the About the Book section, Watercolor Flowers without the use of a sketch. I'm so happy it arrived perfectly and got printed. I hope you guys liked it. Just a reminder, it is available in print, but it's also for sale as an ebook on Amazon. And for Prime Kindle Unlimited subscribers, it's still free, so hurry over and grab yours. There were also French versions of them, and I'll leave the link in the video description. I'm really happy. I hope you enjoyed this. Please share and subscribe. For those already subscribed, double-check your subscription here on the channel and join me every week because I'm always posting something new, a new drawing. Every week I post something new for you. Later on, I'll do a review of my other 2 books, which have also arrived. Follow along with me here on the channel. A big hug, thank you, bye, and see you next time.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.